her question is, she says, Huzur, you have got the vast experience of tablighi dialogue with mullahs. So mullah.
Vast experience?
Vast.
Huh?
Vast experience.
Vast?
No, I mean
very long.
Very long.
Oh, vast. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were saying vast. Vast experience, yes.
Okay, sorry for this. She wants to know, Huzur, will you share with us some of those experience you had?
It's a very vast, she is right. Very, very difficult to pinpoint any single incident. But with the grace of Allah, I used to turn the table against the mullahs themselves. Sometimes they posed very difficult questions to me. And a thing I remember that happened in Sahiwal, I think I may have told you before, but some I have already told this interesting incident. I delivered a lecture there. There was a large gathering of non-Ahmadis, much larger than the Ahmadi present. Much larger presence of non-Ahmadis than the Ahmadi presence. So, when I delivered the lecture and the time I had spent on this lecture on every aspect of GSC life or death, almost the entire gathering seemed to be convinced that Jesus has died. There was one mullah who became very restive and very angry with what was happening. So he got up and said, praised me first falsely. You have done wonderful things, absolutely fantastic, unbelievable things, but we have to believe you. But you have said that because practically Jesus was hung on the cross only for 3 to 4 hours, and people can survive that period on the cross. So there is no problem, we will believe you, but permit me to hang you for 3 minutes with nails in your palm and everything on a cross. So if you survive, we of course accept Ahmadiyyat very immediately. So I told him that, Maulvi Sahib, you believe that Jesus went to the 4th heaven, don't you believe? He said, yes. I said, can you rise only as high as Himalayas and then descend? I'll immediately accept you and forgive everything. So I believe in this fact and prove it because of the history. So you say you must demonstrate it yourself. So if you believe in his going to the ascending to the 4th heaven, you must demonstrate it not entirely, but just a decimal little bit of that height Jesus gained. You should do it physically and rise up to the Himalaya, and when you fall in one piece, I'll of course believe in you. So that was one incident I remember. There were so many others. Very interesting things used to happen in those days. Also in Bangladesh many things happened. So I remember when he was asking this question, the table was turned. People were laughing so much, and they said, now he has got it. So when he answered, the table turned again. They started laughing at the mullah, and he had no place to hide his face there.